The 2027 Subaru Forester is coming in 6 distinct trim levels, and the difference between choosing right and choosing wrong could cost you thousands of dollars. If you're planning to buy one and you're not sure which trim actually fits your life, this breakdown is going to save you from an expensive mistake at the dealership. Most buyers assume all Forester trims are just small upgrades over each other, but the reality is that some trims are hiding genuinely game-changing features, while others are making you pay premium prices for things you could have gotten 2 levels lower. Number 6. Base trim. At around $32,000, the base is the most affordable way into the 2027 Forester, and it's worth knowing up front that entry level doesn't mean stripped out here. Power is coming from Subaru's 2.5-liter flat-4 engine, producing 180 horsepower and 178 pound-feet of torque, routed through a CVT to standard all-wheel drive. No extra charge, no optional package required. Most buyers assume an entry trim means a tiny screen and a basic safety setup. That's not the case here. The base is giving you dual 7-inch center touchscreens, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a 4-speaker audio system, plus Subaru's full eyesight safety suite as standard equipment. That means frontal collision mitigation, lane centering, adaptive cruise control, and adaptive headlights are all included before a single dollar goes toward options. For a buyer who commutes daily in stop-and-go traffic, having adaptive cruise control standard at the entry level isn't a small thing. It's the kind of feature that takes real stress out of the daily drive. 17-inch alloy wheels, LED headlights, roof rails, and dual-zone automatic climate control complete the picture. The base is a genuinely solid foundation, but if you want heated seats, a larger screen, and the option to go hybrid, the premium is where those boxes start getting checked, and the value case there is stronger than you might expect. Number 5. Premium trim. Priced from around $34,000, the Premium is adding a long list of features that most buyers are going to want every single day. The gas-powered version stays with the 2.5-liter flat-4 producing 180 horsepower, but this is the first trim where the hybrid powertrain becomes available. That hybrid setup pairs the engine with an electric motor for a combined output of 194 horsepower and 199 pound-feet of torque, with real-world highway fuel economy touching 35 miles per gallon in testing. Think about what that actually means for someone driving 15,000 miles a year. The difference between the gas Forester's highway rating and the hybrid's real-world figure can translate to hundreds of dollars saved annually without giving up a single feature. That's the kind of math that makes the Premium hybrid genuinely hard to argue against. Beyond the powertrain, the Premium is bringing a panoramic sunroof, keyless entry and push-button start, heated front seats, a power-adjustable driver's seat, and a serious infotainment upgrade. The dual 7-inch screens give way to a single 11.6-inch touchscreen with wireless smartphone integration and a wireless charging pad. The audio steps up to 6 speakers as well. Here's what separates the hybrid version specifically. Blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic warning, automatic emergency steering, and a hands-free power liftgate all come standard on the Premium hybrid, while the gas version requires an optional package for those same features. Stack the fuel savings on top of the included safety tech, and this trim is arguably the best value in the entire segment. The case for spending more is harder to make once you run the numbers here, but the Sport trim is about to give you some real reasons to consider it anyway. Number 4. Sport trim. The Sport lands at around $37,000 and carves out its own identity. Visually, it's standing apart with 19-inch bronze finish wheels, brown accent stitching, synthetic leather upholstery, and shift paddles with 8 simulated gears. Anyone who's been caught on a slick road wondering whether their SUV is going to hold its line will understand why this matters. The Sport is the first trim to add multiple drive modes for improved traction in specific conditions. Blind spot warning and automatic emergency steering are now standard across both powertrain choices, and the hybrid option is available here too. The Forester Hybrid Sport arrives with the full option bundle already included: 11-speaker Harman Kardon audio, hands-free power liftgate, rear automatic braking, and additional drive modes, all standard. Gas Sport buyers can add those through an optional package. The Sport is the trim where the Forester starts feeling purposefully built. But if a comfort-first experience with genuine luxury touches is the goal, the Limited is taking things to a noticeably different level. Number 3. Limited trim. The Limited is priced from around $38,000, and this is where the Forester crosses into genuine comfort territory. The hybrid powertrain remains available here, same 194 horsepower combined output. Here's something many buyers don't think about until it's too late. Spending close to $40,000 on an SUV and still manually wrestling rear seatbacks every time you need cargo space. The Limited solves that with one-touch folding rear seatbacks, a detail that makes a real difference when you're loading awkward gear in a hurry. Real leather upholstery arrives here too, alongside a heated steering wheel with paddle shifters, power adjustment for both front seats, and a hands-free power liftgate now standard rather than optional. Blind spot monitoring and automatic emergency steering are included across the board. An available package adds Harman Kardon audio and rear automatic braking, both of which come standard on the Limited hybrid. The Limited is the trim where the Forester stops asking for compromises. But if ventilated seats, built-in navigation, and a surround view camera are on your list, the Touring is bringing features that simply don't exist anywhere lower in the lineup. Number 2. Touring trim. The Touring starts at around $42,000 and brings a set of features unavailable at any other level. Engine choices remain 2.5-liter gas or the 194-horsepower hybrid, but the experience around the driver is a meaningful step forward. One thing that doesn't get enough attention is driver fatigue. Long highway stretches, fully loaded cargo areas blocking your rear view, tight urban parking, these things add up on every trip. The Touring is the first trim with a driver attention warning system, a surround view camera for top-down parking perspective, and a digital rear view mirror that keeps visibility clear, even when the cargo area is packed to the roof. These aren't features you'll notice once and forget. They're solving real problems on real drives. Navigation and the 11-speaker Harman Kardon audio system are now standard, alongside ventilated front seats, heated rear seats, a driver's seat memory function, and gesture climate controls. The Touring Hybrid delivers all of that with better fuel economy than the gas version, a hard combination to argue with. That said, the #1 spot belongs to a trim writing an entirely new chapter for 2027, and the headline is one off-road buyers have been waiting on for a long time. Number 1. Wilderness trim. Priced from around $39,000, the Wilderness is the most capable Forester available. And the headline for 2027 is clear. For the first time, the Wilderness is going to be available with the hybrid powertrain. The 194-horsepower combined setup previously exclusive to street-oriented trims is now coming to the most off-road-ready Forester ever built. That matters more than it might seem. Adventure-focused buyers have been forced to choose between efficiency and capability for years. Rugged Wilderness hardware or the fuel-saving hybrid, but never both. The 2027 Wilderness Hybrid is ending that trade-off. The platform underneath is already serious. Ground clearance is rising to 9.3 inches from revised suspension. All-terrain tires on 17-inch wheels are standard from the factory, and an underbody skid plate is protecting everything underneath. The interior gets water-resistant upholstery with copper stitching, a practical choice for a vehicle that's going to see mud and trail dust regularly. Towing capacity reaches 3,500 pounds, more than double every other trim in the lineup. An optional package adds a hands-free power liftgate, Harman Kardon audio, navigation, and a digital instrument cluster. Layer the hybrid powertrain on top of all that. Instant electric torque for low-speed off-road control, better efficiency on every highway mile to the trailhead, and the 2027 Forester Wilderness Hybrid is shaping up to be one of the most capable and well-rounded compact SUVs in this segment. For buyers who actually use their SUV beyond the pavement, this is the trim that's been worth waiting for. The 2027 Subaru Forester is a lineup that rewards buyers who do their homework. The base gets you into a well-equipped SUV at $32,000. The premium hybrid makes the strongest value case in the segment, and the Sport adds attitude and traction tech without a dramatic price jump. Move up to the Limited, and the compromises disappear, while the Touring is stacking features that don't exist anywhere lower in the lineup. And the Wilderness is now doing something it's never done before, pairing serious off-road hardware with a hybrid powertrain that makes every mile more efficient. 6 trims, 6 different answers. The key is knowing which question you're actually asking before you sign anything. The Forester is one of the most well-rounded options in the segment, but competitors are more than competent. If you're looking for something more focused on efficiency, then you definitely want to check out our video about the new 2027 Toyota RAV4. Excellent fuel efficiency, combined with significantly improved interior and new tech features, make this one of the most appealing options on the market.